Question: which of the following animals show menstrual cycle? 1. Gorillas and chimpanzees. 2. Monkeys and humans. 3. Orangutans and monkeys. 4. All of these. Answer: 4. All of these. Question: senescent phase of an organism is lifespan. Can be recognized by 1. Slow metabolism. 2. Cessation of reproduction. 3. Decreased immunity. 4. All of these. Answer: 4. All of these. Question: if a fungal thallus has both male and female reproductive structures, it will be called 1. Heterothallic. 2. Homothallic. 3. Dioecious. 4. Monoecious. Answer: 2. Homothallic. Question: Strobilanthus cantiana flowers once in 1. 5 years. 2. 12 years. 3. 20 years. 4. 50 years. Answer: 2. 12 years. Question: Strobilanthus cantiana differs from bamboo in 1. Being monocarpic. 2. Length of juvenile phase. 3. Being polycarpic. 4. None of these. Answer: 2. Length of juvenile phase. Question: estrous cycle is reported in 1. Cows and sheep. 2. Humans and monkeys. 3. Chimpanzees and gorillas. 4. None of these. Answer: 1. Cows and sheep. Question: the growth phase of an organism before attaining sexual maturity is referred to as 1. Juvenile phase. 2. Vegetative phase. 3. Both 1 and 2. 4. None of these. Answer: 3. Both 1 and 2. Question: select the monocarpic plant out of the following. 1. Bamboo. 2. Orange. 3. Mango. 4. All of these. Answer: 1. Bamboo. Question: clear-cut vegetative, reproductive and senescent phases cannot be observed in 1. Annual plants. 2. Perennial plants. 3. Biennial plants. 4. Ephemeral plants. Answer: 2. Perennial plants. Question: which of the following is a post-fertilization event in flowering plants? 1. Transfer of pollen grains. 2. Embryo development. 3. Formation of flower. 4. Formation of pollen grains. Answer: 2. Embryo development. Question: the number of chromosomes in the shoot-tip cells of a maize plant is 20. The number of chromosomes in the microspore mother cells of the same plant shall be 1. 20, 2. 10, 3, 40, 4, 50. Answer: 1. 20. Question: the wall of the ovary forms 1. Pericarp. 2. Fruit wall. 3. Fruit. 4. Both A and B. Answer: 4. Both 1 and 2. Question: in which of the following plants sepals do not fall off after fertilization and remain attached to the fruit? 1. Brinjal. 2. Cucumber. 3. Papaya. 4. Bitter gourd. Answer: 1. Brinjal. Question: which of the labeled parts in the transverse section of tomato fruit is or are diploid? 1. X. 2. Y. 3. Both X and Y. 4. None of these. Answer: 3. Both X and Y. Question: if a butterfly has chromosome number 360 in its meiocyte, 2n, what will be the chromosome number in its gametes? 1. 380. 2. 190, 3, 95, 4, 760. Answer 2, 190. Question. In flowering plants, both male and female gametes are non-motile. The method to bring them together for fertilization is 1. Water, 2. Air, 3. Pollination, 4. Apomixis. Answer 3. Pollination. Question. In maize, a male site has 20 chromosomes. What will be the number of chromosomes in its somatic cell? 1. 40, 2. 30, 3. 20, 4. 10. Answer 3. 20. Question. A diploid parent plant body produces gametes and a haploid parent plant body produces gametes. 1. Diploid, haploid, 2. Haploid, diploid, 3. Diploid, diploid, 4. Haploid, haploid. Answer 4. Haploid, haploid. Question. Which of the following organisms has the highest number of chromosomes? 1. Housefly, 2. Butterfly, 3. Ophioglossum, 4. Onion. Answer 3. Ophioglossum. Question. Meiosis does not occur in 1. Asexually reproducing diploid individuals, 2. Sexually reproducing haploid individuals, 3. Sexually reproducing diploid individuals, 4. All of these. Answer 1. Asexually reproducing diploid individuals. Question. Which of the following options shows bisexual animals only? 1. Amoeba, sponge, leech, 2. Sponge, cockroach, amoeba, 3. Earthworm, sponge, leech, 4. Tapeworm, earthworm, honeybee. Answer 3. Earthworm, sponge, leech,